Wagwan, they are getting on my people, manners and respect to each and every one, you see. Yeah, so alright, so for those who are new to my channel, please don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video and so that you can stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla, you see. Alright, so first up my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a musician who many people call TJ. Now in this video, TJ said some words that are considered to be disrespectful to a person who he calls skeng in this video that I'm about to present to you. So let's take a look at the video and see if we can get some form of understanding about some of the words that he said, no viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Not on that show. Come and notice, man, I blast a bag of thing. So New York, if you need to buy a ticket, send back on the ticket. If somebody from New York, they live, screen recorded live, send it now whole of New York. Men are on New York show. The promoter them for New York show. If you don't know bigger tipsy from New York, you don't know bigger tipsy, are my friend that, are my boy that, you understand, I'm a G that. See it? So watch I go on. Me and bigger tipsy if you keep a show in New York. Bigger Tipsy say him know somebody in New York. Bigger Tipsy reach out to 2 man from New York. Them 2 man say to Bigger Tipsy, say, Bigger, don't keep the show in a May, keep the show in a June. And like how me already I do a show in New York, just make me emerge the show. Listen to me promoter boy, my name is TJ the Up Top Boss. The moment you join me and my friend and keep a show, you're responsible for that. I am going to give you my talent, mother. You were supposed to sign a contract and you didn't. This is professional thing, but you make me have to come live and talk about you now, idiot, nyam skeng. Don't ramp with me badness, little boy. Me send a man come back, say down in New York, me dark as That's why I'm not talk to people. Cause I not like talk, I'm just one thump down a boy. I make my friend them give him 100 kick in your face, I'm tabbing your face with my knife. You tell me get all violent on the live. Listen to me. Skeng, suck your mama. You see me and my friend I keep sure. You tell my friend no. But oh, make you and my friend join. Then I try style the thing. Don't do.
Wow. Hey, a which musician me hear say warning or something like that. I quite remember. Anyways, my people, so things set away. Things set away. You see me and say, but I hope everything turn out okay for everybody. You see me? So I could go up on another topic now, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a person hit at least one police officer repeatedly. Now, I got the understanding from the video and based on some information that the person was being arrested or detained by at least 2 police officers. And the person was clearly resisting arrest, viewers and subscribers. See? During the incident, the video shows when a man who was not wearing any police uniform hit the man with a helmet that a police officer was wearing, while police officers was trying to restrain that man, and also in the presence of police. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. But if you look and listen to the video, you might get an understanding as to which country the video will be recorded in. The video shows at least 1 motor vehicle license plate. You can see the type of uniforms that those police officers was wearing. It is also said that the person had been approached by police officers because of the way how the person was behaving at a certain time, viewers and subscribers. I also got unconfirmed information about how the person was behaving as well too. And it is said that police officers did whatsoever they could to try and restrain the person, viewers and subscribers. And at some point, handcuffs was placed on the person's 2 hands. You see what I'm saying to you? Clearly, viewers and subscribers, the video shows a hostile situation, and I somewhat edit the video to keep this video as family friendly as possible, because believe me people, the video shows a person who was really and truly basically fighting with police. You see? So I'm going to present this video to you to the best way I can, and one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Stop trying to fight with them, man. What? Are you fighting with him, man?
Yeah, I get the dog here, that's the story.
Pick up your phone now. Where's your phone? Pick up your phone now.
BT, I am BT.
Watch it, watch it.
BT. I'm right, I am BT. BT.
Hey, calm down. Hey, calm down, man.
No, give me back.
Ian. Ian. Escoler. Escoler. Escoler.
Yo, wait there. It's on the neck. It's on the
Now, my people, based on some things when I see in the video, based on the person's behavior that I see in the video, it make me wonder if the person is totally okay mentally and also physically after certain things that happen during subscribers. No, I think that this person might have put himself in a lot of trouble. See, because it is common knowledge to many adults that you are not supposed to hit a police officer or any police officers at all. You see me I say? That's against the law and you're not supposed to, what you call it? Resist arrest. It's best to comply, and if you have a complaint to make, you make a complaint after. So, my people, I just try my best to present that video to you as family friendly as possible so that you can get an understanding of the situation. You can let me know what you think. Now, here I am going to present a very interesting video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, this video is going to show when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica saw two persons who was floating out in the sea. I mean, police officers or law enforcers who was in a boat went to a certain location out in the sea, or some people might say the ocean, but a Caribbean sea, and they saw two persons floating. Now, it is believed that they were trying to swim away from the island or an island. And I want you to take notice that you can see an image of Jamaica flag in the video, viewers and subscribers. It's really and truly sad to know that anyone or those two persons would put themselves through so many risks just to leave the country or an island. So let's take a look at the video and see if we can get an understanding of the situation. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Hey, morning, police. Stop. A woman in there too?
What, man? Distress.
Come aboard. So I'm left off for the follow up this up.
Yeah? In a good and more. Fish biting.
So the rope on the side,
Yeah, man.
hold on the rope then.
When they come on one side. No, he can't up on the front of the boat.
Yeah man, come on man.
Down up on the front.
Knock them down, move officer.
People, big risk that to do.
Yeah, we're bound for you.
No, man, we not deal with poor right from,
Think
man. We not deal with
about
from, man.
the big creatures them in a yo.
Officer, poor right from.
Eh? Microphone.
Passport. This is. It's alright. You minutes to just. I'll take this one. Yes, yeah. Oh, last time. So what was your aim today? Yeah? My aim today? Feel upon a big boat. There was nothing bad. I want to see what from night before last night.
It's all out there, so.
Yeah, I've explained too. Yeah, man, night before last time we go up on the top. We did out of the skull boat and go up on the top and climb it.
So when I did plan, how many aim?
Eh?
What was
Why? I have two daughters.
Man, that's so we get to the stairs and show we don't buy it.
Hey, listen.
Hard time them, sir, you understand? Start to go somewhere we can just go travel. You see it? When we get to go nowhere, just go to sea and come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, them just
No
go.
weed, nothing, we just clothes and food. Yeah. And it's so mess up don't time the food them drop off.
Oh, should I go for the slippers then?
Weed
You
and
don't know what the slippers then? You don't know what the slippers then?
yeah, man, please, officer.
Wait,
Yeah,
next.
slippers.
Oh, yeah.
Let's fish bite up, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we have to play a game, the fish bite and slippers.
Good man, deep no man.
You meet us, let's get the fish one.
Yeah, man, gotta stay.
Hey,
Hard time.
your aim was to leave the island.
Yeah, for real, we're not like try something.
My part of Africa. Other parts of Africa.
Oh, my people, may I tell you, we live in a world, I mean, I tell you people, we live in a world, yes, man. Basically, you're the person admit that the person was trying to leave the island. You see what I say? Basically, you can hear those persons say that they were trying to leave the island. People, I want to say to each and every one, don't ever try that. Don't even think about attempting it. Don't even. See, my people, think about the sharks, the big creatures, them, the barracudas. Eh? Me dey on boat and me feel so intimidated by not seeing what's down there, much as feel the in our water. Just like, yo, me I tell my people, it's like me I try to wrap my brain around a situation like that and my blood run cold. Eh? Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.